For most of us, recycling's a simple affair. Separating your paper from your bottles, job done. But what if you wanted to take it much more seriously? What if you wanted to build your house out of materials like plastic bags and old milk cartons? What if you had an architecturally designed 3-bedroom house in mind, but only a couple of $100,000 to spend? You gotta worry, wouldn't it all look just a bit rubbish?
James and Rita want to build with zero waste. Not easy in an industry renowned for it, which means a lot of research into recycled products. And they've managed to source what could be a great solution to the planet's plastic plague.
I hired a truck. I've loaded it up with a bunch of soft plastic waste from the building site, which I was hoping not to send to landfill, and very excited to have found a company that turns soft plastics into boards that we're going to use to line our walls and ceilings. So looking forward to checking it all out at the factory. Nice to meet Paul.
Yeah, how you going, James? Yeah, Paul.
Nice to meet
Paul
you.
Charteris is behind the operation, which is, frankly, a near-perfect example of recycling. The company creates building panels out of soft plastics combined with old milk cartons. James plans to paint them and use them as internal walls.
Instead of actually using trees, we're actually using packaging fibre, consumer waste.
So, I mean, I basically brought a bunch of soft plastic.
Yeah, no, this is low-density polyethylene. It's our glue, basically.
There we go.
It's not even complicated. First, the plastic and cartons are chopped up. Heated to 250 degrees, the plastic becomes a kind of glue. Then it's pressed flat under 200 tons of pressure. If you're wondering, that's just steam. There are no toxic chemical emissions.
And this is your finished board.
Wow.
Under here. We'll pull this back and you can sort of see this is the exposed black, which is what you're looking at putting in your place. 100% upcycled. You'll be able to see some of the different plastics and cartons, but you know, it's all your waste and, you know, post-consumer waste that's gone into it.
I mean, I just feel really good about the fact that I haven't had to take it all to landfill. I've thrown it into this conveyor belt, which spits out new building materials, which are going to go on our ceiling, on our walls.
The floors and, oh, wow, this space. Suddenly from that compressed entry space in the middle of the house here, all this sort of volume, it's magic. And then this ceiling with the batten panels up there, these are the recycled panels you were always thinking about?
Yeah, soft plastics, milk cartons, cardboard, etc., and it's pressed into this board, which we, you know, had to use a bit of muscle and balance to pin to the ceiling, and then we covered it with a spray of cork paint.
And then these walls here, same?
Same material again, and that was a really natural lime fresco that was troweled on.